While most runners are focused on fast intervals, hill repeats, and getting their long runs in, many times we see often overlooked and crucial training element is the flexibility training. I can see a lot of them probably will just roll their eyes and say, oh, we've heard that before. But just think about it. The stiffest of tree will easily crack. But in comparison, a bamboo or a willow survives by bending with the wind. So rather bend than break should be the mantra of every runner. And because of that, we want to show the importance of flexibility, and that's why it's really justified to start today's session talking about importance of flexibility and running. It gives me great pleasure to invite on the dais our first chairperson, Ms. Shami Gupta. A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Ms. Shami Gupta is the founder director of Shami's Yogalaya. She is currently, she is a celebrity yoga guru. Please have a seat. She holds a MA in Yoga Shastra and is ranked second in the state level yoga championship. She conducts yoga workshops for corporates and different groups, and she works extensively with runners like you and me. She's not much of a runner herself, but she ran the Satara Hill Marathon almost on a whim, without any preparation. What came to her rescue was her flexibility. So that's exactly what we are trying to bring out, the importance of flexibility for a runner. Shami writes a regular column in online magazine, Runners for Life, and has been featured in many magazines for the achievements in her field. A big round of applause. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you Miss Shami Gupta. What Shami and me have in common is that we are both certified yoga therapists from the same institute, Yoga Vidya Niketan, and we have the same yoga guru, Padma Shri S.P. Nimbalkar. Over to you, Shami Gupta. Okay, I'm sorry, she's the chairperson. Okay, and to speak on the topic, may I call upon our first speaker, Dr. Vishwanath Prabhu. A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for Dr. Vishwanath Prabhu. He's part of the health and the wellness industry from the past 13 years. He's a qualified psychiatrist and chose to unravel the secrets of the body rather than the mind, and is now a trainer. He's a Reebok University trained and certified fitness expert and has won the title of the best all-round trainer, fitness expert. In fact, the exercises recommended by Reebok in the international marketing of the Reebok Swiss ball have been designed by none other than Dr. Vishwanath Prabhu. Over to you, Dr. Vishwanath Prabhu, to talk about flexibility, importance of flexibility and running.
And like Islamic culture, as you said. So generally when people start doing this posture, the knees, they end up with a lot of injuries. So what you can do, you can actually stack pillows at the back and then gradually go on sitting and start removing one by one, and you will just working on your thighs, and it will start opening up. So from the yoga perspective, so like doctor said, when you are doing any posture, try to understand the limitations of your body. And the moment you do any asymmetrical yoga postures, you become more aware of your body. So the moment if you're doing posture in one side and then the other side, you will know that this part of the body is tighter than the other side of the body. And then when you want to improve, you work more in the side which is actually tight and less in the side which is kind of less tight. And you can actually get into muscular balance. So with running, which is actually a repetitive act, we end up with a lot of muscular imbalance. And first time when the question was asked, what do you do for flexibility? I think most of you said yoga. There is not, you have more things I would like to mention. When you're doing stretching, do stretch. don't go very vigorously with that. A lot of time when we are not used to and when we go vigorously, we start putting a lot of pressure on the joints instead on the belly of the muscles. So you have to start stretching from the belly of the muscles, and as doctor said, don't hold your breath. So when you get into a posture and get out of the posture, and when you go with the rhythm of your breath, and when you're holding the stretch at the peak, and when you start releasing it with your breathing, you will actually end up doing a much better job. Honor the suggestions of your pain. So a lot of time when we are not doing with the belly of the muscles and we are actually stretching the joints which cannot take stretch beyond a certain point, you start injuring yourself. And a lot of problem happens because of our lifestyle. We are sitting for hours on the table. Just go back to basics, sit on the floor, and you will start working on your external rotator and a whole lot of things on the lower part of the body, and that will give you a lot of flexibility.
Thank you, Dr. Vishwanath Prabhu and Ms. Shami Gupta. Thanks for Dr. Vishwanath to point out the correct form that you have to engage the core and the glute, with which most of us forget. And Shami Gupta made a very valid point that you have to stretch from the belly of the muscle. Also listen to the body is what she says, and that's what each runner has to bear in mind. You Too Can Run is going to is making a donation to United Sisters on behalf of the chairperson and the speaker. And this, I'm handing over the letter of appreciation from United Sisters to both the speaker and the chairperson. Dr. Vishwanath Prabhu, this is your letter, and this is Shami Gupta. I also, just a moment. I would request Vatsal, where are you? To please hand over a small token of appreciation from You Too Can Run to Dr. Vishwanath Prabhu. A big round of applause, please. And to Ms. Shami Gupta. Thank you so much for enlightening us, and I'm sure all of us are going to use this to better our performance and to stay injury-free. Over to you.
Thanks, Suchita Vadkar. Thanks to You Too Can Run. Thanks, Venkatraman. Thanks, Venkat. Okay, we all fondly call him Venkat. Thanks to Ashish also for giving me this opportunity to share this information. And I'm always around. You can always connect with me. Thank you. Have a great day. Have a great run.
Thank you, everyone. Doctor has named. Thank you so much.